you're a professional?
Are you?
That's it, Clark. Show 'em who's boss.
Oh, we're all in this together.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. I'm happy to be here. Glad you guys are here. If you are a first timer to the channel or a first timer to the Strat, we are about to change the way that you guys trade and see candlesticks and look at charts, okay? So welcome to you guys. If you haven't subscribed down below, you can do so. Click that subscribe button and hit that bell. That bell gives you notifications for when I send out daily videos just like this one. The top 5 plays for Wednesday, May 18th. I also send out a main watch list. I send out learning tools, informational videos, motivational videos. I've got a 4-video series on the hashtag 30 and 30 coined by Paulie Tuaru. I have a video on Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule. I have videos on what these numbers mean. Entries, exits. Somebody told me that I don't show them how to manage a trade. Well, I'm not here to tell you guys how to manage your trades and trade for you, but I've done 2 videos today on that. One on, I believe, Pfizer, the other one on Keurig Dr. Pepper, KDP, and how you guys could have entered those trades, managed the trades, and then exited them, had your stop losses where you could have re-entered them even when you got stopped out. So, with that, you can also follow me on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can comment there, you can DM me there, you can ask any question you'd like. There's no dumb questions, guys. I'm here to help you guys out. Ask away. I usually get back to you guys within the same day. You can also do the same thing on any of my YouTube videos, including this one. Comment down below, click the thumbs up. Let me know how you're feeling about the videos and what you guys want to see, and if you have any questions. So let's get started with this top 5 list for Wednesday, May 18th. First one I've got on the list is MGM Resorts. It's got a 3-1 setup, okay? An outside bar followed by an inside bar. Outside bars break the high and the low of the previous candle. So this white candle is the outside bar. This is the previous candle. We broke both the high and the low. And then the inside bar does not break the high or the low of the previous candle. It stays within the range, okay? And when it stays within the range, it's consolidating. And it shows consolidation within that stock, okay? And we like to see that because it acts like a spring loaded, like a spring getting loaded, ready to explode to one direction or the other. And we usually end up getting really, really successful plays off of this setup. I've got a video on this alone, this 3-1 setup. So we have full time frame continuity to the downside. If you want that indicator, go to the indicator tab, type in time frame continuity. Author is Board Rider B. If you want the numbers below the candles that I've got, you can type in candle type, and author is Crinklebine. And then if you want the yellow bar for the inside bar and the white bar for the outside bar, I believe you can type in either TW Holy Grail or TW Golden Indicators, and the author is Trading War Zone. That is Rich from Trading Wars on Twitter. So that's the 3-1 setup. We can take calls at 36.30, targets at the top of the outside bar. You can also take puts on this one with the time frame to the downside at 35.38, and targets again at the bottom of the outside bar at $34.99. I sent out a tweet about this play, the double inside bar, similar to Keurig Dr. Pepper. And if you watch that video, you will see exactly how successful these double inside bars are. So consolidating for 2 straight days. And we had that on Keurig Dr. Pepper, and that thing ran today for over 250%. So watch Starbucks in the morning to possibly do the same thing. Doesn't happen all the time, but it is a very rare pattern, and it's a very powerful pattern that you guys should be looking for. So again, we do have the full time frame to the downside. So probabilities tell us we're going to go down, but you never know. So we do have the trigger to the upside as well. So we can trigger high to go long at $74.35 or puts to go short at $72.87. That's on Starbucks. This, if I'm telling you guys to watch one play tomorrow, it would be Starbucks. Okay, next up, and guys, these top 5 are in no particular order at all. Next up, we've got Roblox. We had a 2 down that finished red. So we can look for calls on this one at $34.12. Magnitude at the top of this wick right here. CL is up next. That's Colgate Palmolive. Full time frame to the upside, which I like to see. Day, week, month, quarterly. The only one is a year that's to the downside. We have a hammer candle. We have a 2 down that finished green. So we can look for calls at 78.91. First pivot point or target is at 79.25. Your next one, you've got to go back and tag. How are we going to do this? Tag the bottom of these candles until we fill the gap of this inside bar. Okay, and then you can go to the top. Okay, so target 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for you on Colgate Palmolive. That is play number 4. Let's go to Chewie for number 5. Chewie has a 2 down that finished green. Hammer candle. We can take calls at 28.01. First target is the pink line, which also triggers us to go long on the weekly. That's on Chewie. Okay, and let's give you 2 more here. AFRM, inside bar on AFRM, so we can take calls at 25.24. I'd watch because this first magnitude is not great. And then to the downside, we can take puts at 22.86. And then one more bonus play for you guys here. Let's use Lucid, LCID, inside bar, $18.39 we can use as our trigger to the high side. If we do trigger to the high side, we've also re-triggered the weekly long play, okay? Which has a trigger of 1833. So realistically, if you wanted to, you could probably get in at this 1833 mark instead of the 1839. And then if it does tend to trend down or happen to trend down, we can take puts on this one at 725. It's got really good magnitude to the downside right there. First target, $16.25. That's a whole dollar. That's big money in options. Guys, that's the setups, top 5 setups for Wednesday, May 18th. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Good luck trading tomorrow with these guys, and make sure you follow me on Twitter, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye.